Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I'm Sanjay Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session, guys. What we have planned for you based on trigonometry. Is I'm clearly audible, visible, guys? If yes, please do let me know by the help of comments. If I'm clearly audible, visible, guys, please do let me know by the help of comments. We are going to begin the session very soon. So just do one thing, guys. Please do the sharing part. We are going to do some important questions of trigonometry. Just do the sharings. Just do the sharings very fast. Then we are going to begin. Hello, Harika. Hello, Charlie. Very good evening. You all are highly welcomed over the platform. Please keep on sharing and sharing the session across your friends as well. Okay, so here it is. We are today. Shrivani, very good evening. Shrivani, like Mr. Putin, very good evening. You are highly welcomed over the platform. So we are going to begin with the questions very soon. Again, 25 important problems for you, you great CGL aspirants. Okay, this is the year of yours. As you know, 20,000 vacancies, and my students are definitely going to rock it in this 25. They need only 5 to 10. But if you are going to give them 20,000, they're not going to leave it unturned. Yeah. So you only require 5 to 10. But if it is going to be 2025, you are not going to be like give a miss it. You're not going to give a miss it. I'm very sure about it. If it is your bad day as well, then also it's going to be a perfect hit. This is the first question of the day. This is the first question of the day. 3 cos theta minus 4 sin theta is 0. What is the value of 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta? 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. Three cos theta minus 4 sin theta is given 0. What is this value which is being asked from you? Well done, Srivani, the first answer giver of the day. Quite a reflection, okay. 3 sin theta, 3 cos theta is equal to 4 sin theta. You will say, sir, theta. 3 by 4 is equal to tan theta. Means perpendicular is 3, base is 4, hypotenuse is 5. 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 upon 1 by 5 plus 1 upon 7 by 5. Which is 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. 7 plus 5, 12 by 5. 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 is the answer. B is the correct one. Mr. Putin, Mr. Harika, and Srivani have done it correctly. Srivani has done it correctly. Okay. Second question is there on your screens now. Looking different, quite a high reflections. No issues, guys. I'm going to manage it. Sin theta minus cos theta is 0. Sin theta minus cos theta is 0. What is sec theta plus cosec theta? Sin theta minus cos theta is 0 is equal to sin theta is equal to cos theta. If you take this cos theta on the right hand side, it will become sin theta is equal to cos theta. So theta is 45 because at 45 both of them are equal. Because at 45 both of them are equal. What is sec 45? Root 2. What is cosec 45? Root 2. 2 root 2 is the answer. Sec 45 root 2, cosec 45 root 2. So answer is 2 root 2. Answer is 2 root 2. Pretty easy. This one was pretty easy. Sine 4 alpha minus beta is 1. Sine is 1 at 90 degree. Sine is 1 at 90 degree. So 4 alpha minus beta is 90. Sine is 1 at 90 degree. And cos is half at 60 degree. Cos is half at 60 degree. So 2 alpha plus beta is 60. Adding both equations, 6 alpha is equal to 150. So alpha comes out to be 25. So alpha comes out to be 25. Okay, if alpha is 25, put it in any of the equation. 2 into 25 plus beta is 60. So beta is 60 minus 50, that is 10. So sine alpha plus beta is basically alpha is 25 and 2 beta is 20. Sine 45. And sine 45 you all know. And sine 45 is you all know 1 by root 2. And sine 45 you all know is 1 by root 2. Correct? Great. Keep it up. Bacha, please do the sharing part. We are going to do lot of important questions today. Just like the yesterday geometry session, we are going to make this session very helpful. Just like the yesterday geometry session, we are going to make this session very helpful. Next. Just the beginning, guys. Now, I have to see the question over here only because here it's quite a reflection. Try it by value putting, guys. If possible, try it by value putting. Okay. Okay. Guys, I am assuming theta is anything. I am assuming theta is 0. Let's see what happens. So theta 0 means 2 cos 90 plus 3 sin 90 plus sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. And cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. So cos 90 is 0. Sin 90 is 1. 0 plus 3 minus 2, 1. Which of the option gives us 1 is our answer. Which of the option gives us 1 is our answer. Okay. So let's see. On putting theta is equal to 0. This is 0. This is 1. 1. Okay. Very good. On putting theta is equal to 0. This is 0. This is minus 1. So this is gone. This is gone. If you put theta as 0, this is 0, but this is 1. So it is giving 3. 1 is giving 3. 1 is giving 0. 1 is giving minus 1. Only one option is giving 1. So that is our answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? And those who will do it completely, they have to remember that cos 90 plus theta is, in the second quadrant, cos is negative. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. So cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta, but positive. 3 cos theta. Problem is over. 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. 3 sin theta minus 2 sin theta is sin theta. And 3 cos theta minus 2 cos theta is plus cos theta. So sin theta plus cos theta is the exact answer of this question, which was also a very cool way of doing it. Which was also a very cool way of doing it. So what is the takeaway from here? The takeaway from here is sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. And cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Because in the second quadrant, cos is negative. Because in the second quadrant, cos is negative. Next. Well done, Tushar. With each question, guys, the things are going to become better in terms of the question which you are going to get through today's session. In terms of the content which you are going to get through from today's session. I should be, guys, making a sheet today to see the accuracy. Complementary pairs. Complementary pair, guys, sine and cos. So I'm writing sine 81 as cos 9. Complementary pairs they are. Now, if it is cos here, I'm converting everything into sec. Sec 9, and this can also be written as sec 9. So it is 2 cos 9 into 2 sec 9. Inverse of each other, numerator is 4. Sine 56 divide by cos 34. Cos 25 divide by sine 65. Cos and sine are complementary of each other. Cos and sine are complementary of each other. What do you mean by complementary of each other? That if the sum of the angles is 90, they are equal. If the sum of the angles is 90, they are equal. Sum of the angles 90 equal, so cancel out each other. Sum of angles 90 complementary, so cancel out each other. So it is 4 by 1 plus 1, 4 by 2. 2 is the ultimate answer. 2 is the ultimate answer. All done, Harikas and all. Have some of you done the errors over here as well? Guys, now I think I need to see the comments because some of the good students are also giving the wrong answers. This is the scenario? Don't be in a hurry, guys. Don't be in a hurry. Make a promise to yourself that I will never compromise with my accuracy. Without compromising my accuracy, I will try to increase the speed. If you have to compromise the accuracy for increasing the speed, it's not worth. It's not worth, okay? Make a promise to yourself. You have to keep in your blood. You have to be in it. It has to be in your blood. Unless the question is tough, I will not make it wrong. Unless the question is tough, tricky, I will not make it wrong. Cot theta 3 by 4. Base 3, perpendicular 4, hypotenuse 5. Sin theta 4 by 5. Cos theta 3 by 5. Tan theta 4 by 3. So it is 8 by 5 minus 4 by 3. 15. 5 3 ja 15. 24. Minus 20. 4 by 15. Not in the options. What? What is this? Do I need to cross check? Just a minute. 8 by 5 minus 4 by 3. 15 LCM. Okay. 5 3 24. C. Tan theta is 3 by 4. Cot theta. 3 is base, 4 is perpendicular. 7. Okay. वही तो. Reflection की वजह से sometimes it's not visible as well. Reflection, because of reflection, sometimes it's not visible as well. Oh my God, Harika, you are like doing the same errors, huh? You are doing the same calculation errors as well. So today's studio is different. So I have to look it like this. And that too, the reflections. That too, the reflections. Let's move on. The only better thing today is that the speaker is there only. So it's not about like plugging it or it is getting discharged or something else. Okay. So that is cool over here. Options are integer. Options are integer. Question in trigonometry, 100% value putting. 100% value putting. If options are integer, question is in trigonometry, 100% value putting. Put theta is equal to 45. Cot 45, 1. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 ka square is 1 by 2. 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. What is the learnings from here? That if question is in trigonometry, options are integer. If question is in trigonometry, options are integer. 100% value putting. 100% value putting, guys. No doubt whatsoever. 100% value putting. Next. Here you have to take a decision. Take a calculative decision. Go for value putting or go for complete solving. Take a calculative decision. And tell me, what is the calculations you have made? Take a calculative. Sanjeev. I know him before. Sanjeev is a good student. Others like you all. Okay. Okay. At what values the option will clash? At 45, these will clash. At 45, these will clash. So other than 45, I can think anything else. Other than 45, I can think anything else. So 90 also not, because 10 is there. Can I go for 0 degree? 10, 0, 0. And sec 0 is 1. At 0 degree, 1. At 0 degree, answer of 1. At 0 degree, answer of 1. Who will give it? Cos 0 is infinite. Gone. Cos 0 is 1. Oh my god. Sec 0 is also 1. Sin 0 is... Oh god. Two options clashed. Two options clashed. Okay. Two options clashed. So, now we can go for 30 as well. We can go for 30. Not 60. Someone will tell why I changed my mind. Someone will change why I changed my mind. Root 3 ka square 3. Cos 60, 1 by 2, sec 62. At 62. So at 60, it will give 1 by 2. Gone. This is the answer. Why I changed the decision from putting 30 to 60? Why I changed the decision from 30 to 60? Because I should be knowing that cos 30 is irrational. whereas cos 60 is rational, 1 by 2. So if cos is rational, sec is also going to be rational. What is the complete way? The complete way is making use of the identity. Making use of the identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So tan square theta is basically sec square theta plus 1. When you will solve it, you will get to your answer. When you will solve it, you will get to your answer. If you want to convert into, guys, everything into sine and cos, it is going to be a good decision. If you convert everything into sine and cos, it is going to be a great decision. If you convert everything into sine and cos, guys, it would be a great decision. Yeah. -1, yeah. Oh, minus. What I've done here. Yeah, -1. It's rather easy. It's rather easy. It's rather easy. It's rather easy. It's so very, very easy. The complete solving is much, much more easier. The complete solving is much, much more easier. Sec square A minus tan square A is 1. So, sec square A minus 1 is tan square A. Rather easy. Let's move on. Quite a big reflection here. Should I need to watch it from here? Guys, I have to watch it from here, might be. I have to give it a big. I think for maths, it's more difficult. I think for maths, it's more difficult, na? Because you have to solve it live. You have to otherwise for GS, this studio can work. Guys, for GS, this studio can work, but for maths, it's certainly not. Yeah, neat, Mr. Putin. Unless you have a lot of money for the private colleges of medical. Sine is equal to cos only when they are complementary pair. Sine is equal to cos only when they are complementary pair. Sine is equal to cos only when they are complementary pair. So, means first angle plus second angle should be equal to 90 degree. 2x plus 30 is 90. 2x is 60. X is 30. X is 30. Sec 30. Okay, always remember the cos 30. Root 3 by 2, so it is 2 by root 3. Sin 30, 1 by 2, so 2. tan 30 बच्चा √3 -2. Rationalize 2 plus 2 √3 divide by √3. √3 -2. Rationalize by √3 plus 2. Rationalize by √3 plus 2 in numerator and denominator. Rationalize by √3 plus 2 in numerator and denominator. 2 √3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 √3 divide by √3. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 10 plus 6 √3 divide by minus √3. If I take minus 2 common, this negative sign can come upwards as well. 5 plus 3 √3 divide by √3. Is it visible somewhere? Why not? Is it visible somewhere? Why not? Option number D is this. Put in its lot. Put in its lot, bacha. Are you looking for your younger ones? Make them fight the competition. Make them fight the competition. Because your value also depends on that. Your career, yeah? Make them fight the competition. That is my suggestion. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Take cosec theta on the right hand side. So 3 sec theta is equal to 4 cosec theta. If you are not comfortable in, hello Virinder, if you are not too much comfortable in sec and cosec, convert into sine and cos. 3 by cos theta is equal to 4 by sine theta. So 3 by 4 is equal to cos theta by sine theta. 3 by 4 is equal to cos theta plus sine theta. And which is what? Cot theta. Cos theta upon sine theta is only the cot theta, no? Cos theta upon cot theta is the tan theta, cot theta only. So the value of cot theta is 3 by 4. The value of cot theta is 3 by 4. Answer. Well done. Good evening, Birinder Bansal. So a slight information, guys, about our app. As you know, we, the Exampore family, are working very high over our offerings. In this manner, the first step for you English medium aspirants are like everything we are offering free of cost, be it quizzes, be it job alerts, be it previous year PDF with solutions, be it practice question, study material, test series, free courses. Only the paid courses we are getting charged, guys. So here the bilingual SSC CGL batch is running. Here the bilingual SSC CGL batch is running. The complete English medium batch is running over. The complete English medium batch is running over our platform only on the YouTube. Okay, so please do take care of it. And this is what is the way to download the app. Go to the Play Store, search the example, install the app, open it, register it, and fill the credentials like your name, date of birth, your like registered mobile number, everything, and start using the SSC segment. And start using the SSC segment in bilingual. There are a lot of courses, guys. You can like visit them. English, this YouTube is the only course. This YouTube is the course. Any kind of observation, guys, any kind of observation is running to your brain. Either you can do it with the observation or you can do it by the formula as well. Yes, Birinder, every day. If you go with the formula, multiply and divide by 2 in the numerator and denominator. Multiply and divide by 2 in the numerator and denominator. 2 sine theta cos 2 theta is sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is 1. You know sine theta is 1 at 90 degree. Is 1 at 90 degree. So 2 theta is 90. 2 theta is 90. Theta is 45. This is the formula way. This is the formula way. And you can go for the general observation as well. And you can go for the general observation as well. At 45, both of them are 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. At 45, both of them are 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So it is also looking that theta is 45. This is observation, this is formula. This is observation, this is formula. So if theta is 45, what is sine 45 ki power 6? And what is cos 45 ki power 6? Both of them are equal, bacha. Sine 45, cos 45, both of them are equal 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 ki power 6 plus 1 by root 2 ki power 6. Root will cancel 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 ki power 3 plus 1 upon 2 ki power 3. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is 2 by 8 means 1 by 4. D. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. So guys, lot of options are coming D today, na? What do you say? A lot of options are coming D today. So today is a D day. Today is a D day. Next. I will watch it over here. What is the question? Otherwise, here it can be a reflection as well. Okay. Come on, do it. Whenever there are a lot of things in the question, convert everything into sine and cos, you will get the way. Convert everything into sine and cos, you will get the way. 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 upon sine, cos upon sine. So 1 minus cos over sine. 1 upon sine plus cos over sine. 1 plus cos over sine. under root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta into under root of 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. So basically, product of the two same things. So when you multiply them, this root will get over. This root will get over. Yeah, this root will get over. Like root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So it is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, which is 1 minus r, 1 plus r. On comparison, r comes out to be cos theta. D-Day. On comparison, r comes out to be cos theta. D-Day. Clear? Okay, guys, is it clear? Please do let me know once. Is the session is completely clear till here? So we are calling it as a one half of the, not one half, approximately 33% of the session done. Approximately 33% of the session done. Any issue still here? Any issue still over here? Well done, Charlie, Putin, Harika. Actually, I want to have an interaction with you as well. Like, who are there? Chalo, let's move on, guys. I'm expecting the comments from all of you. Shrivani is there. Good, Shrivani. So we would be definitely going beyond 25 today, guys. As far as the motivation of mine is saying, we would be going more than 25. For sure. If some of you is maintaining the count, he or she can confirm. And please maintain the count, guys, as from now onwards. Or if some of you can maintain the previous as well, then it's cool. You want to find out sec theta from sin theta. Apply componendo and dividendo. It will simplify it. Componendo means numerator plus denominator. Componendo means numerator plus denominator. Dividendo means numerator minus denominator. Numerator minus denominator. I'm unnecessarily writing it completely. So over here it's numerator plus denominator. It's numerator minus denominator. 2 upon 2 sine phi. Here comes the important triplet for you. Here comes the important triplet for you, which is saying sine phi is p square minus q square over p square plus q square. Guys, it's a triplet. It's a triplet. Sine is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. So base is 2pq. So p square minus q square, p square plus q square and 2pq is a triplet. Comes in the examination a lot. P square minus Q square, P square plus Q square, and 2PQ is a triplet. Comes in examinations a lot. So sec phi is base upon hypotenuse or hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base. Q square plus P square upon 2PQ. Bombay, Q square upon P square plus 2PQ. If you will simplify it, it will become Q square plus P square over 2PQ. If you will simplify it, it will become Q square plus P square upon 2PQ. Clear to all? Good. Keep up the interaction on the high zone, otherwise I will lose the motivation. Tan is equal to cot. Tan is equal to cot only when angles are complementary. Tan is equal to cot when the angles are complementary. So sum of both angles should be 90. 5x plus 5y plus 10 is 90. 5x plus 5y is 80. 5 times of x plus y is 80. X plus y is 60. Either B or D, either B or D. Either B or D. Mr. Putin, well done. Harika, Shrivani, Charlie, well done. Keep it up. Keep it up. Next. Sec squared theta minus 1 is tan squared theta. Sec squared theta minus 1 is tan squared theta. Sec squared theta minus 1 is tan squared theta. So 1 minus sec squared theta is minus tan squared theta. Sec squared theta minus 1 is tan squared theta. So 1 minus sec squared theta is minus tan squared theta. Into cot squared 63 in the product. This is sec, so convert everything into cos. This can be written as cos square 55. Cos square 55 plus cos square 55, 2 cos square 55. Multiplication sec square 55. Done, done. 2. Tan and cot complementary pair of each other. Cancel out. Minus 1. 50-50 Janta is here. Some answer minus 2, some answer 2. In this question, always 50-50% crowd is there. Some answers minus 2, some answers 2. Minus 2 is correct, 2 is not. Minus 2 is correct, 2 is not. But all my students are accurate. All my students are accurate. Charlie, Shrivani, Harika, all are accurate. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Tan P is 3 by 4. Sin P upon cos P is 3 by 4. Guys, can I say sine and cos is in the ratio 3:4? Can I use their ratios in this question? If yes, then why? If yes, then why? Can I use sine P as 3 and cos P as 4? I know their values cannot be greater than 1, but if can I use their ratios? And if you are able to use it, then why? Because there is no constant term involved. There is no constant term involved, guys. Even if I would use their exact value 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 will get cancelled out only. 5 will get constant cancel out only. No constant term involved. No constant term involved. 72 minus 24 over 16. 48 by 16. 3. Since there is no constant term in the question, every term is consisting of product of either sine or cos. Every term is either consisting of product of sine and cos. I have used the ratio directly. Otherwise, their exact values will come out to be sine P will come out to be 3 by 5 and cos P will come out to be 4 by 5. If plus 1 would be there, then we have to use the exact value. If plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, if these kind of constant terms would be there, then we have to use the exact value. Next. Let me ask for water. You just do it. This is the formula of cot A minus B or plus B. This is the formula of cot of A plus B. So please do remember, cot of A plus B is cot A cot B minus 1. Cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. So if it is plus, the denominator is in the plus. If it is plus, guys, hello Jay Raju, how are you? If it is plus, then the denominator is in the plus and vice versa. And vice versa. And vice versa. After a long time, Jaya. So cot of A minus B is opposite of it. Cot of A minus B is opposite of it. Cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot A minus cot B. Okay. Next. Please share it as of now. We want to break this hurdle of 13. We need to break this hurdle of 13 and make it 20 today, guys. Because it's the growth of time. It's the time of growth. If we cannot achieve the growth, guys, in this CGL, then it's become difficult for you as well as me to give away with the same content. 10 की power 4 theta is 1 minus tan square theta. 10 की power 4 theta is 1 minus tan square theta. I'm not doing it like this. I'm doing like this. Take tan square theta common. Take tan square theta common. So it will become tan square theta plus 1. And sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So I'm writing it as sec square theta. Tan is sin square theta upon cos square theta. And sec is 1 upon cos square theta. So cos की power 4 theta is equal to sin square theta. Question is over. Cos की power 4 theta is equal to sin square theta. So we can replace this cos की power 4 theta by sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is the identity which is equal to 1. What do you mean by identity? Valid for all values. Valid for all values of theta. Valid for all values of theta. So if I replace cos 4 theta by sin square theta, then this will become sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. Next. Only read either the Hindi or the English, yeah? The only one way of doing this question is observe. The only one way of doing this question is observation. The only one way of doing this question is observation. That what can be theta. Obviously, if you cannot take 0 or 90. If you take 45, 45, it is 0. And this is cos 45 is not 0. Either go for 30 or go for 60. Either 30 or 60. Either 30 or 60. So I'm going for 60 first. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 is 3 minus 1, 2 by root 3. So is cosec 60 is 2 by root 3? You will say yes. So theta is equal to 60 is the correct choice. Theta is equal to 60 is the correct choice. So tan 60 root 3, cos 60 1 by 2, cot 60 1 by root 3, and sec 60 2. Take this over there. So 4 root 3 minus 1 by 2, and this is 1 plus 2, 3. 4 root 3 minus 1 by 6 is the answer. 4 root 3 minus 1 divided by 6 is the exact answer. Complete board क्यों नहीं है? Let's move on. देखो complete board नहीं. एटलीस्ट दोनों लाइंस आ गई ना. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ दोनों लाइंस. Sec into cos is 1. Sec into cos is 1 na, obviously. And sec into sine is, I think, 10. Because sec will go in the denominator, will become cos. So tan theta is 2 minus 1, 1. So theta is 45. Theta is 45, my dear friends. Sine 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 ka square, 1 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. 1 upon 2 by root 2. This root 2 will go on the top. Basically, this 2 by root 2 is root 2. So 1 by root 2 is the exact answer. Bombay, B or D, either B or D, either B or D. Today's answers are following a pattern. Today's answers are following a pattern. Either I am B or I am D. Again, I personally believe that all of you have installed the Exampur app and started using it. It's a everyday, guys. Lot of good modifications are done inside it, like filling it with free content, guys. So please start as uses. And start doing the YouTube classes a lot, guys. Start doing a YouTube classes a lot, guys. Every day, try to minimum watch 3 to 4 hours of sessions of mine of different subjects, guys. Just things will change in the next 1 month. Things will change just in the next 1 month, guys. Every day, make a target of watching 3 sessions at least per day. You will start feeling, guys, your subject knowledge has improved a lot. Tan A is 21 upon 20. Sin A upon cos A is equal to 21 upon 20. Just observe the question, bacha. Is it only sufficient to do it by ratio? Is it only sufficient to do it by ratio, or it is necessary to find their exact values? Is it only sufficient to do it by ratio? Guys, there is no constant term without sine and cos. There is no constant term without sine and cos. So we can directly solve the question in the ratio. We can directly solve the question in the ratio. Sine I am putting 21, cos I am putting 20, cos I am putting 20, and sine I am putting as 21. Since there was no constant term without sine and cos, I am solving it in the ratio. I am solving it in the ratio. 105 minus 80 upon 100 minus 50. Problem? Problem, guys? Okay. If I take it the exact value as well, then also I can take out 9 common and cancel out. 25 by, oh, there is some problem. Let me watch it once again from here. Tan A is 21 by 20. Sin A upon cos A is 21 by 20. Here can be 5 by 7. Guys, this can be 5 by 7. What do you say? 4 into 20. Where? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Okay. Okay, just a minute. 105 minus 40 upon 80 minus 15. 65 over 65, 1 is the ratio. 1. Yeah. Certified. 105 minus 40, 105 minus 40, 65. 80 minus 15, 65. 65 over 65 is 1. So what is the point to be carefully observed here? That we have only taken the values in the ratios. We have only taken the values in the ratios. We have only taken the values in the ratios and put them. This is something well observed over here, and you have to make a note. And you have to make a note over it. Guys, I think 25 would be done by now only. What do you say? We must have done 25 by now only. Whenever two threes are consecutive, it happens in the formula of a cube plus b cube. It happens only in India. Yeah. So if you closely observe the formula of a cube plus b cube, it's a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So two consecutive 3 is there. 2 consecutive 3 is there. So you can say, sir, it is cube. So cos का 4x plus cos का 2x का whole cube minus 1. Cos का 4x plus cos का square का whole cube minus 1. Yeah, Tushar, every day they are starting. So you can say, sir, sin x is equal to 1 minus sin square x cos square x. So cos square x you can write as sin x. So cos की power 4x will become sin square x. If sin x is equal to cos square x, then sin ka square x is basically equal to cos 4x. This is already given as 1. 1 ka cube minus 1, 0 is the answer. 1 का cube minus 1, 0 is the answer. C. See it carefully. See it carefully. One minus sin square x. And 1 minus sin square x is equal to cos square x. Very quality question. Very quality question. So 22-23 is being done as Harika told. 22-23 questions is being done as Harika told. So we are nowhere going to do less than 40 might be. We are nowhere going to do less than 40 might be. Yeah. So it's a good day. Just divide by cos 32 everywhere. It is 1 plus tan 32 upon 1 minus tan 32, which is tan 45 plus theta. Here it is tan 45 plus 32, which is tan 77. Can be written as cot 13 as well. Complementary. 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 None of you answered. I was expecting the answers, bacha. Look at the property. Look at the property. Tan 45 plus theta is 1 plus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta. Why? Why? Because tan of A plus B, because tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Because tan of A plus B is 1 minus tan A tan B. Componendo dividendo. But then you have to assume x over here, na? That let this answer is equal to x. Okay. But there is no sin and d together, na? It's sin A, it is cos B. There is no formula direct. If I take A as 45, if I take A as 45 and B as theta, tan 45 plus tan theta upon tan 45, 1 minus tan 45 tan theta. Tan 45 is 1, tan theta is tan theta. Tan 45 is 1, tan theta is tan theta. Hence proved. Hence proved. Hence proved. Yeah, you can, if you can use complementary, then you can do by sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin T. If you can convert into their complementary angles, then you can do it by sin C plus sin D, sin like that, like that. Clear? Clear, bacha? Clear? Options are values. Question is also trigonometry. Question is also trigonometry. Options are also trigonometry. Decide. Decide. Question is also trigonometric values. Options are also trigonometric values. Decide. "45 clash. 0 can't take. 90 can't take. Either 30-60 or complete solving. Either 30-60 or complete solving. I am going for complete solving. Guys, whenever 30-60 is there, I generally go for complete solving. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Tan theta, cot theta would have cancelled out each other. Whenever bacha, whenever the question goes to 30 or 60, I generally do it by normal solving. Take cos square theta common. 1 minus sin square theta over sin square theta. Sin upon cos plus cos upon sin. Sin upon cos plus cos upon sin. लिखता नहीं हूं वैसे मैं generally, but now I'm writing it down so that I don't have to repeat it. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So cos square into cos square, cos की power 4 theta. Sin square plus cos square is 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Square, so sin square cos square. Square, so sin square cos square. Sin square will get cancelled out. Cos square will move on the numerator. Cos की power 4 theta into cos square theta is basically cos की power 6 theta. Important one. A decent question, an important question, a lovely question. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. If clear, raise your thumbs ups. If clear, raise your thumbs ups. Any issues, do let me know. So our journey has traveled more than 60% of the distance. Maybe near about 65-70% of the distance. Well done, Charlie, Srivani, Harika, Putin. Just decide it by your own. Going for solving or going for value? Going for solving or going for value? Cot is problematic at 90. Cot is problematic at 0. Cot is problematic at 0. So if you are going for value, if you are going for complete solving, cos upon sin plus cos upon 1. Cos upon sin plus cos upon 1. Cos upon sin minus cos upon 1. Okay. Cooler. cos upon sine plus cos upon 1, cos upon sine minus cos upon 1. Take cos theta common from numerator. It is 1 plus 1 upon sine. It is 1 plus 1 upon sine. Take cos theta common from here. It is 1 upon sine minus 1. I should have gone for the direct. Now I'm realizing that I should have gone for the direct simplification. But let's try like this as well. Sine plus 1 upon sine. Sine plus 1 upon sine. And this is 1 minus sine over sine. Now, bacha can understand. Now, every one of you has a feeling inside yourself that it should be a rationalization after this. It should be a rationalization after this by 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. Now, it should be clear to your brain that it should be the rationalization after this, which will become 1 plus sine theta ka whole square. And this is 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta under root, which will become 1 plus sine theta by cos theta, which is sec theta plus tan theta. If there is a will, there is always a way. If there is a will to do something, guys, there is always a way. This is the perfect example of that saying. If you have the patience to do it, you will definitely be able to do it. If you have the patience to do it, you will be definitely able to do it. Isn't it? Sec theta plus tan theta is the ultimate answer. Next. Rationalization, wherever like 1 minus sine, 1 plus sine is there, and you want to use it in some better form with the help of identity, like 1 minus sine square can be written as cos square, 1 minus cos square can be written as sine square, and one of the factor is there 1 plus cos. So definitely we will multiply it by 1 minus cos to make it 1 minus cos square. And once 1 minus cos square is formed, we can write it out tan square, and we can simplify out the things. First solve this portion. One plus cos y, 1 minus cos y is 1 minus cos square y. Minus sine square y. बच्चों 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta, and sine square theta minus sine square theta will become 0. Sine square theta minus sine square theta will become 0. So only the question is this: what is 1 minus sin square y upon 1 plus cos y? Rationalize by 1 minus cos y to use it in a usable form. To use it in the usable form. 1 plus cos a, 1 minus cos a is 1 minus cos square a. And 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. So 1 minus 1 plus cos y. What a beautiful question. What a beautiful question. Clear? Clear, guys? So I will take 20 minutes more, might be. Yeah. Let's move on. Let's move on. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is the identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is the identity. So better convert cot into tan with the help of complementary pair. Better convert tan into cot with the help of complementary pair. With the help of complementary pair. Tan A into tan B is 1. Because they are complementary. 56 and 34 are complementary. 56 and 34 are complementary. So tan A into tan B is 1. Why? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by is equal to y by 3. 6 minus 2 by 3 is equal to y by 3 plus 3 by. 18 minus 2, 16 by 3 is equal to 9 plus 10, 10y by 3. So y is 16 by 10, 8 by 5. Please do watch out. Any issues? I am here. Any doubt whatsoever? Any doubt whatsoever, guys? Absolutely clear. Absolutely clear. Great. Great going. Doable. Doable. Tan A is 4 by 7. Hypotenuse is going to be 49 plus 16. 65. Hypotenuse is going to be 65. So sin A is 4 by root 65 and cos A is 7 by root 65. 13 into 28 divided by 65. 5 times. 28 by 5. Bombay. B. B is the correct answer. pretty easily doable. Charlie, Harika, all have made it correctly. Shrivani, no errors whatsoever. Mr. Putin. Mr. Putin is leading the chart. Make a complementary pair. First and last. Guys, 5 and 85 is making the last complementary pair. 5 and 85 is making the last complementary pair. So we will solve the question till here first. We will solve the question till here first. First and last. So you will say, sir, the number of terms is last minus first over common difference plus 1. Number of terms is last minus first over common difference plus 1. 80 by 5 plus 1. Number of terms is 17. Number of terms is 17. Number of terms is 17. So answer is number of terms divided by 2. That is 17 divided by 2. 17 divided by 2. So till here the answer is 17 divided by 2. Sin 90 is 1. So 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. How many of you have done the error? How many of you have done the error? Some of you might have. Some of you might have. So sin 90, guys, sin 90 is 1. So 17 by 2 plus 1 is 19 by 2. And 19 by 2 is 9.5, not 8.5. Is not 8.5. Okay. Great. Good one, Harika. First and last is making the complementary pair. First and last is making the complementary pair. First and last is making the complementary pair. So calculate the number of terms. 89 minus first upon the common difference of 4 plus 1. 88 by 4 plus 1. It is 22 plus 1, 23. So number of terms is 23. Number of terms is 23. So answer is number of terms divided by 2. 23 divided by 2 is 11.5. Why the answer is number of terms divided by 2? Because guys, 2 terms form a 1. So n terms will form n by 2 answer. Bacha, 2 terms form a 1. You will say, sir, 2 terms form a 1. Sum of 2 terms is 1. So n, 1 term it is n by 2, 1 by 2. So for 1 term it is 1 by 2. So for n terms it is n by 2. Sum of 2 terms is equal to 1. Sum of 2 terms is equal to 1. So for 1 term it is 1 by 2. So for n terms it is n by 2. Next. Take tan square a common. So this is tan square a plus 1. Question is in sec. So with the help of identity, convert into sec. What is the identity? The identity is sec square a minus tan square a is 1. So sec square a minus 1, or you can say tan square a can be replaced by sec square a minus 1, and 1 plus tan square a can be replaced by sec square a. So sec की power 4a minus sec square a is the answer. Sec की power 4a minus sec square a is the answer. Do watch out. Well done, Tushabar, Harika, Charlie, Shrivani. Tushabar, Harika, Charlie, Shrivani. Next. Guys, others also do interact, guys. I'm not going to take away something from you. Yeah. If you write down yes, sir, no, sir, got it, sir, I'm not going to take away something from you. It inspires a teacher, bacha. Yeah, you know how much difficult it is to take the classes without interactions, because we have to create the artificial energy. Yeah, if you keep on interacting, guys, then what happens? There is always energy created automatically. Otherwise, in case of less interactions, we have to create the artificial energy, which is very difficult to create. Otherwise, we can take up 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 sessions, 5 hour sessions regularly, guys. If the interaction and if the watching is very good, guys, I can take up 3 to 4 to 5 hour sessions as well. Cot A into cot 2A is 1. The property used over here is that tan A into tan B is 1, means A plus B is 90, complementary. Similarly, if cot A into cot B is 1, again they are complementary. This is the property used over here. So A plus 2A is 90, 3A 90, A is 30. A is 30. Cos square 60 plus sin square 30 plus sec square 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 का square 1 by 4. Sec 62 2 का square 4. Sin 30 1 by 2. 1 by 2 का square 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 4.5. Is it there? Why not? Why not? Harika, how much is the count? How much is the count as of now? I'm not going to end the session, guys. Just don't worry about it. Because I want to leave the session at some very good count, like 35, 40, 45, 33. 17 is too much, na? Guys, if I aspire about 17, is it too much? If I aspire about 50, guys, and later changing the thumbnail to top 50, $17, guys, we can do it in 34 minutes. 35 minutes. Cot 25 is 1065. if A plus B plus C is 180, if A plus B plus C is 180, if A plus B plus C is 180, then 10A plus 10B plus 10C is how much? Proof करना है क्या? एक मिनट. 3 or 1? 1. 100 plus 80, 180. So if A plus B plus C is 180, if A plus B plus C is 180, 10A plus 10B plus 10C is 1. 3 तो नहीं है कहीं. Let me check it, yaar. I'm not remembering as of now. I'm not remembering as of now. Yeah, 10A into 10B into 10C. Yeah. It's 10A into 10B into 10C. It's 10A into 10B into 10C. So if A plus B plus C is 180, then 10A plus 10B into 10C is 10A into 10B into 10C. Then 10A plus 10B into 10C is 10A into 10B into 10C. Obviously, your answer is going to be this, whose values you doesn't know. Whose values you doesn't know. So you are going to give the answer as none of these. You are going to give the answer as none of these. Its proof is also very easy. I can do it. I can do its proof as well, guys. Let's see. It was a slip of mind. Otherwise, I can do its proof as well, guys. So, let's do it, guys. Let's see how I'm doing it so fast. A plus B plus C is 180. A plus B is 180 minus C. Take 10 on both sides. Take 10 on both sides. It is 10A plus 10B upon 1 minus 10A 10B. And 10 180 minus theta is 10 theta. 10 180 minus theta is minus 10 theta because it is second quadrant. It is second quadrant, so minus 10 theta. 10 180 minus theta is minus 10 theta because it is second quadrant. It is what? Second quadrant. So 10A plus 10B is equal to minus 10C and minus minus plus 10A, 10B, 10C. Take this 10C on the left hand side. So 10A plus 10B plus 10C is equal to 10A into 10B into 10C. Watch out. 10 180 minus theta is minus 10 theta because it's a second quadrant. And in second quadrant, only sign is positive. In second quadrant, only sign is positive. Both tan and cos is negative. Clear? Clear, guys? पता नहीं मेरे मुंह से कैसे 1 निकल गया. हो जाता है. Next. Charlie, yeah, I do watched it, but not I have to see it once again. I'm not watching it very carefully. I've seen some rumors what is spreading about the looks and all, but I have to watch it completely. I have to watch it completely. Okay. I know it's a kind of animations, but I have to watch it completely. I've only seen the most motions and posters. Yeah, this is the news which is in the. This is what like. Yeah, I read it about it. Ravan, is a negative creature in our history, but it is not that negative. It has a lot of infinite many positive qualities. So we have to see, guys, that what is the angle it is being created. Is it only for animations or it is square it? Square it. A square plus B square plus 2AB. One plus 2 sine theta cos theta. 4 by 4, 1. It is root 3 by 2. So sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta can be used as root 3 by 2. 2 sine theta cos theta can be used as root 3 by 2. 2 sine theta cos theta can be used as root 3 by 2. Squaring it once more. A square plus B square minus 2AB. 1 minus this value is known to us. This value is known to us. So it is 2 minus root 3 by 2. The square of it. So its value is basically under root of this value. D. You have not given the answers, na? You have not given the answers, na? Whatever is being asked, I will just square it. It will become this. I will use the value of 2 sine theta cos theta and just put this value. Then if the value of a square is known, then the value of the individual can also be known by the help of this. Then the value of the individual can also be known by taking the square root of it. Next. Question is trigonometry options are integer. If you want, you can go for values. Question is trigonometry option is integer. If you want, you can go for values. If you have a command over values. If you have a command over values, guys, you can go for it. I will not stop you. 90, you cannot go because of 10. 0. Guys, there is no one stopping 0. 0 is fine for all. No. I have to see. I'm going for 0. Sec 0 is 1. Tan 0 is 0. 0. Divide by cos 0 is 1. Sine 0 is 0. 1 upon 1 upon 1 upon 1. Wow. Wow. Why we have not gone for theta is equal to 90? Because 10 was there. Why we have not gone for theta is equal to 90? Because 10 was there. And 1090 is infinite. So we go for 0 and got to our answer. We go for 0 and got to our answer. So whenever the options are integer and question is in trigonometry, then the thumb rule is go for values. Go for values. Keeping in mind that none of the value become infinite. Keeping in mind that none of the value become infinite and never denominator should not become 0. And denominator should not become 0. Next. A sin x plus B cos x is C. Then interchange of coefficients. B sin x minus A cos x is D. Then A square plus B square is equal to C square plus D square. A short form. Interchange of coefficient, change of sign. Interchange of coefficient, a change of sign. So here as well, initially it was 4, now it is 5. Initially it was 5, now it is 4, and the change of sign. And the change of sign. Change of coefficient and change of the sign in between. Then you will say, sir, A square plus B square. A square plus B square is equal to sum of squares of coefficient. A square plus B square is 41. A square plus B square is 45. Interchange of coefficients and the interchange of the sign between them. And opposite of the sign between them, this property is valid. Its proof is squaring and adding. What is the proof? Proof is from squaring and adding. Its proof is from squaring and adding. Sine 21 x upon y. X upon y is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So base is under root of y square minus x square. Question is in 21. So try to convert the complete question into 21. So it is sec 21. And the complementary of sine is cos. And the complementary of sine is cos. Minus cos 21. Cos 21 is base upon hypotenuse. So sec 21 is hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base. Take the LCM, y into under root of y square minus x square. It is y square minus x square it will become x square over y under root of y square minus x square. X square over y under root of y square minus x square. Please do watch out. Any issues, revert back to me. Well done, Shrivani. X square over y under root of y square minus x square. X square over y under root of y square minus x square. What is the count, Harika? Can we make it an integral value? No, all are integral values basically. A good value like a trademark value. Can we make it a trademark value? Okay. So you want the milestone value to be 40 or 50? You want the milestone today for 40 or 50? I'm ready for both. 1 upon cos theta sec theta. 1 upon cot theta tan theta. 1 upon cos theta sec theta. 1 upon cot theta tan theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Which is the identity? $11 more. Or maybe 1 more. We will decide after this one. We will decide after this one. Okay, let's move on. Sin A and cos A are inverse of each other. So x plus 1 upon x is 3 basically. X plus 1 upon x is 3 basically. This is sin square A plus 1 upon sin square A. So they are asking x square plus 1 upon x square. It's an algebra question. It's an algebra question. If x plus 1 upon x is known, then what is x square plus 1 upon x square? It is a square minus 2. 7. It is a square minus 2. 7. So, milestone of 40 reached. Milestone of 40 reached, guys. I think only 50 will appear good. Only 50 will appear good. So let's do it here. 10 questions, 15 minutes maximum. 10 questions, 15 minutes maximum. Ten questions, 15 minutes or maybe 20 minutes maximum. We will do the reverse countdown now. We will do the reverse countdown now. Okay. Guys, whenever this kind of equation comes, only the possible way is values. Because you cannot simplify it. Because you cannot simplify it, guys. Only the option is a value. We cannot take 90, we cannot take 0. Because they are infinite. at either of 1. 45, 1 plus 1, cos 45 is 2 root 2. 2 is not equal to 2 root 2. Either 60 or 30. Either 60 or 30. If I'm going for 60, this is root 3 plus 1 upon root 3, which is the 4 by root 3. If I go for 60 on the other side, sin 60 root 3 by 2, so cos 60 2 by root 3, 4 by root 3. LHS is equal to RHS at theta is equal to. This is the only possible way for this. This is the only possible way for this, guys. And I want all of you to do this caliber of question in the examination hall. I want all of you to do this caliber of question in the examination hall. Sin 60, root 3 by 2, cos 60, 1 by 2, tan 60, root 3. Root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 3. D-Day. 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 So countdown is there. Countdown is there. 9. After this, 8. After this, 8. Can anyone predict my statement? What is going to be my statement in this solution? What is going to be my statement in this question? My statement is going to be question trigonometry options integer, put the value. I'm putting x is 45. Tan 45 is the easiest. Tan 45 is the easiest. Question is trigonometry options are integer, go for value, find out the answer. And Harika has given the algebraic use of algebra as well, which is also very cool. Which is also very cool. Seven more. 7 more after this. One equation, two equation, and 3 variable, x, y, and theta. Mixture of algebra and trigonometry. Mixture of algebra and trigonometry. 2 equations, 3 variables. 2 equations, 3 variables. I'm assuming theta is 45 because then it will get cancelled out. Sin 45 will get cancelled out cos 45. So y will come as 3x. So y will come as 3x. And on putting the value of cos 45, it's root 2. And sec 45, it's root 2. X plus y will come 8 upon root 2, or you can say 4 root 2. Chalo. Y is 3x. X plus y is 4 root 2. Y is 3x. and x plus y is 4 root 2. If x plus y is the 4 root 2 and y is the 3x, then 4x is the 4 root 2, x is root 2. So y is 3 root 2, triple of it. Algebra. It was less trigonometry, more algebra. It was less trigonometry, more algebra. 9x square, root 2 ka square 2. 3 root 2 ka square. 18. 9 plus 2, 18. Less trigonometry, more algebra. Less trigonometry, more algebra. Is it clear? Less trigonometry, more algebra. Good questions. Thank you very much, Srivani. I look for the comments box as well with quite a hope that some of you would have done the comments over there as well, and some of you would have given the answers over there as well. But what happens when I see it and I don't find out anything? I feel like, oh, it should have been there. Okay, so alternate days, some other days, try to interact in the comments as well. Okay, try to interact in the like giving the answers or like writing it something, maybe good questions, good solutions, whatever. Whatever, guys. Guys, after this 6 more, na? I forget the count. After this 6 more, yeah? They are inverse of each other. Cosec theta plus cos theta, cosec theta minus cos theta. Add both of them. So on adding, 2 cosec theta is 4 plus 1 by 4. 2 cosec theta is 17 by 4. So cosec theta is 17 by 8. Hypotenuse 17. Perpendicular 8. So base 50. 8, 15, 17 is a triplet. 8, 15, 17 is a triplet. What is cos? 15 by 17. What is 10? 8 by 15 minus 1. 30 by 17 minus 1 plus 8 by 15. 30 minus 17 is 13 by 17 plus 8 by 15. This will become, I think, 255. So B probability is very high. This will become 255. Only 255 is in one denominator. Only 255 is in one denominator, none another. None another. So I think no need to solve it here after as well. 13 into 15 plus 8 into 17. 5 plus 6, 331. Great. 6 more to go. 6 more to go. So guys, as I told you, like this is our Guys, these days we are working really very hard. You can see it from the efforts which our teachers are like putting these days. Just because Exampor has the offerings, guys. One of the best these days, guys, in the edtech industry. So it is about, you can see it from their app as well. It's looking like previous year PDFs are there free of cost, job alerts, quizzes, paid courses are there, study material, current affairs, daily, weekly, monthly, and everything is, guys, there free of cost. This is the way to download the Exampur official app. Go to the Play Store, press it, install it, open it, register with the credentials, name, date of birth, email ID, password, and guys, start using it in the SSC segment. Bilingual courses are already running. English medium course, guys, we are doing it on the YouTube only. Complete English medium course, guys, we are doing it on the YouTube only. The bilingual courses are especially there. However, the great faculties, Tej Pratap sir and what do you say, Mr. His good. His name is very good. Yeah, he's very popular in the English. Uh, he is very popular in the English. He is taking the course of the bilingual. फटाफट फटाफट फटाफट. Now, if something is in the equal to means value is fixed. Like if this equation is there, obviously you can try find out the value, what can be the probable value, but you cannot put it, na? You cannot put it. For me, it's looking like a intuition of. For me, it's looking like a intuition of 45. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. LHS, RHS. So theta is 45. So cot 45 is 1. Guys, how would I have picked up this question? How would I have picked up this question? You know cot famous value is 0 at 90 degree, sine 91, cos 90 0, LHS does not equal to RHS. Cos value is never 1 by 3. Cos value is never 2. So only possible left answer is 1. Only possible left answer is 1. Never means never famous values. Their values can be 2 or 1, but for thetas we don't know. So whatever the theta we would be finding out should be the one that we know. So I'm talking about the famous values. I'm talking about the famous values. Done. Done. I think after this I have not arranged the questions or what? Because it would have been looking impossible to reach beyond it. Yeah. It would have been looking impossible to reach beyond it. But we have done it today. Bacha. I have not arranged the questions after this because after this 3 more or 2 more. Everything is there. Everything is there in the questions. Everything is there in the options as well. Everything is there in the question and everything is there in the options as well. The ultimate point which should be coming to your brain is, convert everything into sine and cos. Convert everything into sine and cos. 1 upon cos square theta plus 1 upon sine square theta. This is the ultimate point what should be coming to you. Point 5 is again sine square theta, cos square theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 upon sine square theta, cos square theta. Looking pretty easy now. Take sine square theta common. 1 minus cos square theta over cos square theta. We have nailed it, guys. We have nailed it. We have nailed it. We have nailed it. Take everything inside one bigger root. Gone, gone. Under root of sine square theta is sine theta. Under root of cos की power 4 theta is cos square theta. Under root of cos की power 4 theta is cos square theta. Or I'm taking it bacha in two portions. You will enjoy this a lot. Cos theta into cos theta. Now this can be written as tan theta and this can be written as sec theta. Sec theta into tan theta. Oh, is it not there? Sin theta into sec square theta. They have used this form of sin theta, and the denominator cos square theta they have taken upwards. And the denominator cos square theta they have taken upwards as sec square theta. And denominator cos square theta they have taken upwards as sec square theta. And denominator cos square theta they have taken upwards as sec square theta. 3 more or 4 more after this. So whenever the 50th question come, you can just let me know as sir, okay, this is the last question of the day. Because now there is going to be a calculation of 1 or 2, which I am leaving it to you. Question is the answer. Sec की power theta minus tan की power 4 theta is sec square theta minus tan square theta into sec square theta plus tan square theta. Now this is the identity. This is the identity is equal to 1. So basically your answer is same as sec square theta plus tan square theta. Basically your answer is same as sec square theta plus tan square theta, which is given as 7 by 12. Which is given as 7 by 12. Which is given as 7 by 12. No issue, Srivani. It happens sometimes. It happens. Guys, we are very near 50th, yeah? We are very near, either 1, 2, or 3. The question is the answer. Cos की power 4 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is the identity is equal to 1. So cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 2 by 3. This is the formula of cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta is 2 by 3. This is the formula of cos 2 theta, which is equal to 2 by 3. Which is equal to 2 by 3. And this is also the formula of cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta they are asking as well, which is equal to 2 by 3. Cos 2 theta can be written in 3 to 4 different ways. Cos 2 theta can be written in 3 to 4 different ways. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or cos square theta minus 1. They all are same. They all are same. No difference whatsoever. Bacha, second last batana, huh? Please do tell me the second last and last. Please do tell me the second last and last. I was wanting all the people, those who were in the session till the last, but what does this happen? At least you should have the final moment with me. The final bias should be with me. But you left few minutes ago, leaving me alone. Harika Shrivani is there only. This is not cool. You can't leave me before. How can you leave just a few minutes ago? Question of change of coefficients. 2 is 1 here and this 2 is 1 over here. Change of coefficients. Change of coefficients. Initially cos was 2, now it is 1. Initially sin was 1, now it is 2. So change of coefficients. Change of coefficients and change of sign. And change of sign. So it is sum of squares of coefficient is equal to sum of squares of values. Let this value is equal to d. Let this value is equal to 2. Sum of squares of coefficients is equal to sum of squares of values. So 4 plus 1, 5 is equal to 1 by 2 plus d square. 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to d square. So it is 10 minus 1, it is 9 by 2 is equal to d square. So d is 3 by root 2. D is 3 by root 2. So let's see the final question of the day. So it is we have done a great thing today, guys, that we make a commitment and we fulfilled it. Yeah. We made a commitment to ourselves and we fulfilled it. That should be the approach in the studies, guys. That should be the approach in the studies. Whatever the commitment, guys, you made to yourself every day, try to fulfill it. And try to make some smaller commitments. Try to make the commitments of doing 200, 300, 400 questions a day, not 1000 questions a day across all subjects. Like you can make a commitment of doing 50, 50, 50, 50 by your own, 200 questions a day. But not too much beyond it. Don't set high targets. Set small targets and try to achieve them. Set small targets and try to achieve them. Sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Denominator should be bigger. Numerator should be smaller. Here the numerator is bigger, denominator is smaller. This can be the answer. Denominator is smaller, gone. This can be the answer. Here symmetry is there. Here symmetry is not there. Let's see. Either A or C. Either A or C. Just to confirm it, cosec plus cot is x minus 1, x plus 1. So cosec minus cot is inverse of it. X plus 1, x minus 1. For sine, obviously, finding out the cosec would be a good decision. So add both. Add both. Two cosec theta is x square minus 1 upon x minus 1 का whole square plus x plus 1 का whole square. So 2 cosec theta is a plus b का whole square, a minus b का whole square, twice of a square plus b square. Twice of a square plus b square. A minus b का whole square plus a plus b का whole square is twice of a square plus b square. A plus b का whole square, a minus b का whole square is twice of a square plus b square. So cosec theta is x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So sin theta is inverse of it, x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Well done, Mr. Putin. So sin theta is inverse of it, x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. So target accomplished, guys. Target accomplished. Congratulations to all, guys. Congratulations to all. For such commitment, for such efforts. Yeah. For such commitment, for such efforts. Okay. So with this, guys, I'm going to wind up the session now. I hope you might have thoroughly enjoyed. If you have thoroughly enjoyed, guys, please do not forget to let me know in the comment box. Okay. And please do the sharing of this session with your friends, colleagues as well, so that they can also do these questions, important questions. And we'll meet in the next session tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great time. Have a great time, guys. Congratulations to all. Okay. Putin, Srivani, Harika, Srivani, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you soon, guys.